Hello, everyone. Good morning. I hope that everyone is having an amazing day. First and foremost, I want to say I apologize for not being on camera, but you guys know what I look like. So it's early in the morning and I'm not camera ready. I'm here to basically share with you guys some legitimate online survey sites that are pretty decent in my personal opinion. A couple of them I have used myself. I also want to remind you guys to go over to the Legitimate Work at Home Job Facebook page. Um, I try to update it as often as I possibly can when I upload new jobs that are hiring workers from home. Okay, so just I'll leave that link down in the description box, so you just can go over and search for WAH Job Queen. Okay, but the link will be down in the description box. All right. So the first survey site that I'm going to tell you about is one of the best ones that I personally have found, and that is Inbox Dollars. Now, Inbox Dollars, they give you $5 as a sign up bonus. They pay you to basically they pay you to sign up. They pay you to read emails. They pay you to join different survey sites. They pay you to play games, because you have a lot of companies that when they create these gaming apps, I'm pretty sure you guys have probably downloaded a lot of gaming apps that you have seen on your Facebook timeline or something like that. They pay people to actually play games and complete offers. Now, they send you surveys every day. Now, from what I've researched, some people are basically saying that they send you the surveys every day. And if you take them every day, you can earn up to like $730 a year. Okay, so that averages out to be about $60 per month. And most people that do this, they say they pretty much just leave that money in their account and they use that money at the end of the year for like holiday cash. Okay, so I think that's pretty good if you at work or something, if you work with on a computer, or even if you just, when you get off work, if you have a few, maybe 30 minutes to an hour to complete a couple of surveys that they send you, earn you about $60 a month. You can use that money at the end of the year to, buy some Christmas gifts. I think that is an awesome, awesome thing. So this is one of the best ones that I found, Inbox Dollars. Okay. The next one is Rewarding Ways. Now, the main way you earn with Rewarding Ways, so I've heard, is you complete short surveys. Now, paid surveys, you can also get paid to click on the ads, sign up for offers, and stuff like that. Most things you do credit you with points. Now, with this, you can redeem it, your points, for real money with PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, make sure you sign up for a PayPal account. It's 100% free. You don't have to pay to get a PayPal account, especially if you do a lot of ordering online on things like Amazon, or just buying a lot of different stuff online. Instead of you using your credit card, you can actually pay through PayPal, which is a secure website. If you ever have any issues, PayPal will refund you your money. Okay, so PayPal is a free platform. So if you don't have a PayPal account, I recommend that you get one. Okay, because you can redeem your points for real money. Now, if you don't want to get a PayPal account, they will pay you with gift cards. All right, so that's Rewarding Ways. The next one is Cash Crate. Now, Cash Crate lets you earn cash for completing different offers. I've used this one before. It's pretty good, but I have so many different things going on that I haven't really had a chance to really dive into it. But they pretty much pay you for completing offers, doing tasks, and doing different surveys. Now, when you sign up for Cash Crate, they'll give you $1 just for signing up. All right. The next one is Get Paid. Now, they pay you to complete surveys as well. They also pay you to watch videos, uh, transcribe text, a bunch of different stuff. Now, they pay you with PayPal and gift cards. So, again, make sure that you have a PayPal account if you want cash, or you can just opt to receive the gift cards. Okay. They have Starbucks gift cards, Walmart gift cards, Amazon gift cards, different things like that. So they pay you with PayPal and gift cards. Now, Opinion Outpost. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Opinion Outpost before, but Opinion Outpost basically offer surveys from businesses and organizations. So they take around 10 minutes for you to complete them, and you earn points with a pay in outpost. Okay, it's points with a pay in outpost. Now you can redeem these points for free to places like Amazon, iTunes. I also think that they offer Starbucks gift cards and Best Buy gift cards. I'm not sure. I know for a fact they offer Amazon and iTunes gift cards. Okay. Now, another thing that a lot of people like about Opinion Outpost is every time that you complete a survey for them, you are automatically entered into a sweepstakes that they have every single year where you can win up to $40,000. Okay, I think that's pretty decent. Okay, up to $40,000 in this sweepstakes that they have at the end of the year. All right, all right. The next one is Point Club. Now, Point Clubs give you $5 for signing up, and they allow you to earn points for each one of the surveys that you complete. Now, with Point Club, you can redeem your points for gift cards to PayPal, which you can convert into cash through PayPal. Okay. Otherwise, they'll give you gift cards to like Walmart, Amazon, and stuff like that. Okay. So that's, and also as you can see down here, they also offer Xbox gift cards. So if you have children that have Xboxes, you can redeem gift cards for Xbox. Okay. Again, they do give you $5 for signing up. Now, swag books. I think I've talked to you guys about swag books before. They allow you to earn gift cards when you shop online. Most people shop online anyway. You shop on Amazon, you shop on Walmart.com, different stuff like that. Most people shop online. I know I do. I do a lot of my shopping online. They allow you to pretty much earn gift cards when you do that. When you shop online, when you complete surveys, they also allow you to watch videos, and you can redeem your points once you complete these surveys and watch these videos for gift cards to places like Amazon and Walmart. You shopping on there anyway, so you can use swag bucks to earn you some points and get you some gift cards to places like that. Or if you have a PayPal account, they also let you get cash back from PayPal. So if you want the cash, you can cash in using PayPal. All right. Now, my points survey. Now, they pretty much known as well for letting you earn money through shopping. Okay, or signing up for special offers. Sometimes you have companies that ask you, do you want to receive like little samples and stuff in the mail? If you sign up for stuff like that, they'll let you earn money for doing stuff like that. Okay. They also have surveys for cash, and you can get that through PayPal. They also offer gift cards or travel points. So if you're somebody who loves to travel and things like that, they also offer travel points for you completing special offers, doing surveys, and shopping online. All right. Survey Junkie. This is another really, really good one. Now, Survey Junkie, they must be doing something right because they got like over 8 million. Yes, 8 million members. Okay, and they growing every single day. I've been checking on this. They literally grow by the hundreds every single day. Now, this what I have heard from doing research. Now, I have not personally worked with Survey Junkie, but I do know they're a legitimate online survey company. I've heard on a good day, you can make up to $45 an hour on some of these surveys from doing research. Now, this is just from me searching around on the internet. I've seen great reviews on Survey Junkie. Okay, again, I have not used them, but I do know that they are legitimate. And I've seen some people say that you can make up to $45 on a good day. Don't know how true that is, but I know they are a 100% legitimate company. All right. The next one is Pinecone Research. They pretty much, I think I've shared Pinecone Research before. They basically just pay you to share your opinion. Okay. You can share your opinion in surveys, and you can complete other offers in exchange for points. So how the point system works, 100 points is equal to $1. And most of their surveys pay up to $3. So that's like 300 points per survey. Okay. I hope that makes sense to y'all. Now, ePoll surveys. I think I've talked about ePoll before, but if I haven't, ePoll basically pays you to provide feedback on like different products, like new products. Like say for instance, a company comes out with a new product, they'll pay you to provide feedback on that. Services, celebrities and entertainment, just a lot of different things that ePoll allows you to provide feedback and feedback on. So you can cash in your points for gift cards to Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, Best Buy. As you can see there on your screen, you got iTunes, PayPal. So if you want to, get a gift card, you can actually convert that into cash. So again, PayPal is free. Get you a PayPal account, okay? 100% free. So these are just a couple of the different survey sites that you can check out. Again, you have ePro surveys. I'm sorry. You have Pinecone Research, Survey Junkie. You have My Points. You also have Swag Books. You have Point Club. You have Opinion Outpost. You have Get Paid. We have Cash Crate. I think I talked to you guys about Get Paid. Did I talk to you guys about Get Paid? If I didn't talk to you about Get Paid, basically Get Paid pays you to complete surveys, watch videos, and transcribe text. If I didn't talk to you about Get Paid, okay? Again, Cash Crate and Rewarding Ways. And last but not least, the one that I think is the absolute best is Inbox Dollars, from doing research, because most people say that they leave that money in their account and they just cash out at the end of the year, and they use that money for holiday cash. So I will leave all of this stuff down in the description box. I wrote an entire blog post on all of this, so you guys can go over there where you can actually have them in one like little fell swoop, where you can just go and sign up if that's what you choose to do. Or I will leave the links just randomly down in the description box for those of you that don't want to do that. Also, don't forget to go over and like the Facebook page. It is free 99. It don't cost you a dime, okay? I feel like this sharing is caring. So make sure you share this video and share my blog post, share the survey sites, so other people can go out there and make them a little bit of extra cash. Again, remember, you are not going to get rich doing this. This is for pocket money, okay? Pocket change during your spare time. You are not going to get rich doing online surveys, all right? See you guys in the next video.